Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to turn on live traffic data on Hyundai navigation. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now let's choose here the setup button. Then from the following list of settings, choose here navigation. Afterwards, as you can see, let's choose the first tab, which is the display, and then you can check the traffic info and select this checkbox, as you can see right here. So, toggles the general system-wide traffic overlay on or off. When enabled, your overall 2D or 3D map view will overlay green, yellow, or red lines on major roads nearby to show live traffic density patterns regardless of whether you have an active destination set. So I think it's quite useful to have those information, so let me leave it enabled. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.